Guys, we're back with another video of Hill Climb Racing 2 with this supercar. Yeah. Seriously, the Mon Wheel is that bad? Yeah, guys, I don't really know how to control a Mon Wheel. I mean, I've gotten 1,000 meters with it, which is kind of cool. But, come on. Can I beat myself? Guys, comfort me. We are so close to 20 subscribers. Comfort me, guys. Please. Just 9 more subs. And we will be able to beat me. Come on, guys. Just 9 more subscribers. But thank you guys for the 10 subscribers. But this is our 10 subscriber special of the supercar. I didn't. Guys, you subbed 9 times? That's impossible. There's no way. Yeah, I didn't think so. I really didn't think so, guys. If he passes me, that means that 9 subscribers was fake. You can't let it pass me. I need 9 subs. 9 subs. Come on, 9 subs. 9 subs. No. Dang. Guys, that I really thought it was true. Not really true. Can I at least make it down this hill and up this hill? Yeah. That's her special, guys. Not really special. But I think we can put in 3 vehicles of this. Wait, why is there a boss called you? Wait, whoa. We got money that's not even in Ninja. Okay. I'm a disappointment. Please unsubscribe because of death. No, not another unsubscribe. I guess that sucks, guys. Fine. Guys, you can't unsubscribe again. That's not possible. Just beat my record. I got 1 more sub because of my thing guy. Okay, we saved our subs. Come on, guys. What? How am I still alive? Oh. Go. We're going places we've never. Okay, guys, I think that'll be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!